I haven't posted any videos in a while, but I figured I'd make a quick video on the 80s bone stock car I built this year. It's just a 88 Crown Vic LTD 5.0 fuel injected. It's not carbureted. I ran it at Erie County and took third. That was a pretty small show. I think only 5 cars. I did okay. Just won first last night with it at New London Firelands Festival, also V8 stock, same promoter. Did really good. That was a heat of 7 cars, really good derby, but just kind of wanted to show the build. Like I said, it's a stock 302, just with headers, Pedkey belt headers. Put new plug wires on it, new plugs, all that kind of stuff, but otherwise completely stock. Might be able to see I got taco plates in there on the box. It's a 1975 Cadillac Coupe de Ville stock bumper, just seam welded, no stuffing. Did pretty good. I don't know if I would run one of these on like any kind of heavier build, but did good for a stock class bumper. Just on there with some 4x4 plates. Kind of show off the cage. Just everything's 3x3 quarter wall. Got a removable steering wheel just on the stock column, completely stock steering in this thing. I like that battery box location. I think I'll continue to do something like that for the rest of my cars. Shifter, NLR pedals, you kind of see them down there, just rear brakes. Tank protector. I think it's just a 10-gallon eBay fuel cell. That's all that is. The back end this time, this car's pretty crusty, so it did kind of some weird stuff. But luckily, I mean, it didn't dump too bad. That's all you can really ask for. About pushed all the way back into the diff, but like I said, got me the W, so can't be mad about that. Got 27s on SS's in the back, and then the fronts are some bigger, I think 715s that are just tubed. Rears are doubled. Show the battery setup, and then kind of wanted to show off the fuel setup because I was pretty happy with how it turned out. Got a pre-filter, like a strainer kind of deal, just Amazon stuff. Post filter, that's like a GM. I think it's maybe for a LS motor. Just post filter, fuel gauge, valves, 2 pumps. It's wide. I only run 1 pump, obviously, stock 302. You don't need 2 pumps. It's really just for redundancy if I lose a pump. And that way I can pull this whole tray out and drop it in another car, easy peasy. I don't have to, you know, screw around with undoing stuff. Just plop it in and out of the next car. And with 2 pumps, I mean, this setup should last me for quite a long time. They're just Walbro. I think they're 255 inline pumps, something like that. They're just the cheaper Walbro pumps, but plenty for any kind of small block build that I would do. Just ran up into the tank, stock regulator and everything. I think my only vacuum lines, one to the fuel regulator and one to the map sensor, one to the regulator and one to the map sensor, and that's it. Just used some of these compression adapters for AN to the stock steel rail line on both sides. And that was pretty much it. Ended up having to redo the tranny mounts after the first one. Like I said, this car is pretty rusty. It ripped one of the tranny mounts clean off, so plated that up. But like you see, I mean, no plates or anything. Almost started to belly out pretty good. Bent all behind the boxes pretty much is where it went. But can't ask for more than that. Front A-arms welded down. I just let them droop completely and welded them down, and I was pretty happy with the bumper height. Didn't mess with the springs or anything like that. Just let them come completely down, normal travel, and welded them down. So yeah, pretty happy with how it did.